Oh yeah, this is so good. Hey, Bluebird. Okay. Hi, Redbird. I'm not doing anything. You're acting kind of strange. I'm not acting strange. I'll go with the taxi. Okay, he's just officially crazy. Okay, who did I call? Beep, 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 beep. Ah, come on. Dang it. Hello? Hey, Mario? Yes? Can you come over? Oh, okay, bye. Bye. Ugh. It's okay. All I have to do is wait. 5 hours later. Ding dong. Come in. Oh, hello. I'm here. Just like you said. Stupid cat. So what's wrong? Bad. Oh, shut up, brother. Well, it's Bluebird. Look at him. I don't want to watch Hannah Montana. I want to watch Jury Duty. Oh, boy, ga 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 ga, bo ga ga ga, bo ga ga ga, bo go. He is messed up. I know. What's wrong with him? Perhaps you need to find out what he's doing every night. Well, every time I can see there's like. I think he's on meth. Now shut up, cat. Okay, let's see him overnight. Okay, I'll stay here overnight. At night. I want to go to bed. No, we can't go to bed yet. We must find out what he's doing. Okay, well, hey, camera, get out of our faces. Not really far. Okay, there he is. Ahem. You're doing cocaine, aren't you? Dang it. You're on crack? Well, I'm sorry. It's addicting. Oh my God. I'm sorry, please. You sicken me. You've been doing this for how long? What? What? Ever since Angry Birds Rio. That's been forever. I know. I'm so sorry. You sicken me. Hello, Dr. Drew? Yeah, can we be on your show? $5. Okay, bye. We're going on Dr. Drew. Dr. Drew? Why? I don't like Dr. Drew. It gives me the heebie-jeebies. Well, still, we're going to Dr. Drew. This will suck. At Dr. Drew's. Yeah, okay. Calm down. Well, we are here today, and this is called The Addiction. And today's addiction is cocaine. And we're here with Mario. Hold on. Super ugly 18. Oh God. Anyway, we're with Mario, Redbird, and Bluebird. And the addiction here is that Bluebird is on crack. It's cocaine, you idiots! The same thing, whatever. So, when did you start doing this? ever since Angry Birds Rio. Wow, that's been forever. I know. Yeah, and he's been doing this like every night. And we don't, I actually caught him in the middle of it, but I didn't know what he was doing. Yes, it was crazy. We seen him snort it up and all that crap. It's like he's on meth. Why, no, I'm not. I'm just on crack, you freaking idiot. Oh my God. Okay, I think we have to get you in solitary confinement. I don't want solitary confinement. It's okay. Well, you're gonna like it. No. Bluebird, Bluebird, Bluebird. You're gonna have to face the facts that you're gonna have to go to jail. Okay, so are you gonna quit this addiction? No, I'm not. Did you bring any cocaine today? Yes. Oh, you did? Okay. Give it here. Here you go. Here you go. Thank you. No, that was my last drug. That was my last one. Well, you're just gonna have to get over it. And now, I'll put you to sleep. Wake up, sleepy poo. What? I gotta go. No, I guess that worked. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and like.